Say something.
Okay, here I am breaking this with a rather heavy rock. And the goal is to achieve a device in which you can slice something open. Now, the way I'm doing it is pretty basic, and I can't do much more with the puppy around, because this shrapnel might get in his eye. Hi, baby. What this should be used for is the sharp edges to cut open hides, not like yours, puppy. And you can actually use this to put on the end of a spear or a club. And as you can see, it does make small marks. It's not actually fully sharpened, but
Make it fast, my battery's dying.
the battery's not dying at all.
I know.
And here it is, the final outcome. A little uneven, but you tie this on like an arrow or a dart, you can kill. Thanks for watching.